Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create ThriveCart Learn Plus student on ConvertBox form submission. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from ConvertBox, then automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that form submission and I'm going to use these details to create a new student automatically in ThriveCart Learn Plus course. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between ConvertBox and ThriveCart Learn Plus. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use ConvertBox. In action application, I'm going to use ThriveCart Learn Plus. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create ThriveCart Learn Plus student on ConvertBox form submission. So here by using ConvertBox, we have created a form. Now whenever we are getting a new form submission, we are getting a new lead or a new enrollment for our course. Now by using this form submission details, we need to create a new student in a course in ThriveCart Learn Plus. And we want this to happen automatically. So here I'm going to show you step-by-step process of setting up this automation between ConvertBox and ThriveCart Learn Plus. So here for building this automation, we need to build a connection between ConvertBox and ThriveCart Learn Plus with the help of Pabbly Connect. And for setting up this automation, we don't need any coding and programming skills because we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Now for using Pabbly Connect, we need to first search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I need to create a new workflow. For that I need to click here on this create workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create ThriveCart Learn Plus student on ConvertBox form submission. And now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be ConvertBox. So I'm going to search for ConvertBox here. I'm going to select ConvertBox here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead submission will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect ConvertBox with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that I need to use this webhook URL. And this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between ConvertBox and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two accounts, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you back to ConvertBox. And here I've created this particular box. So I'm going to open this. That is named as 3 spaces box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit. And now I'm going to click on my form. And here I have these details. So I'm going to first go to form settings. Now I will go to actions. And here I need to first select my action. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to select this action of go to next step. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to go to integrations. And now here I need to add my integration. So I'm going to click here on this add integration button. And first I'm going to open this tab, and webhooks will be my integration. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to give my webhook URL. So I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to click on add integration. Now I'm going to click on save. And I have to click on next. Again I will click on next. Again next. and I will click on finish. I will go to dashboard and I have successfully added my webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how we are going to get this webhook response? For that I need to make a new form submission, and for making the new form submission, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my form, and here this is my form for Java course for beginners. So I'm going to use this form for this particular course, that is for Java course. And now for making the form submission, I need to fill all these details. So here I need to first give my first name, so that will be Alex. Now I have to give my last name. So my last name will be John. Email will be alexjohn@pabblytunes.com, and I'm going to give a mobile number. So this is my random mobile number, and now I'm going to click on schedule my meeting, and I have successfully submitted this form. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have this random phone number of my user. I have the first name, that is Alex. I have the last name, that is John. I have the email address, that is alexjohn@pabblytunes.com. And here I have all these details like my campaign name, ConvertBox ID, ConvertBox name, and the referral. So here we can see that I have received all these details of my form submission. Now what I need to do is I need to use this form submission detail, and I need to use these details of my user to create a new student with all these details in my ThriveCart Learn Plus course. So for that what I need to do is I need to add my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be ThriveCart Learn Plus. So I'm going to select ThriveCart Learn Plus here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create new student will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect ThriveCart Learn Plus with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting ThriveCart Learn Plus, I need to give a token. So where I'm going to find this token? For that, I need to take you to my ThriveCart account. Now I will go to my profile, and here I'm going to go to settings. And here in settings, I have this option of API and webhooks. So I'm going to open this. And now in API and webhooks, I have to open API keys. So I'm going to click on view settings. And here what I need to do is I need to create a new API key. So I'm going to click here on this create API key button. And now I need to give a name to my key. So my name will be ConvertBox. And now I need to click on create API key. So here this is my API key, and this is going to be my token. So I'm going to first copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here. Now I need to click on save. And here I have successfully connected ThriveCart Learn Plus with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to give my email address and course ID first. So here I'm going to receive the email address of my user from my ConvertBox response. So I'm going to use that email address, and I'm going to map that for creating a new student in ThriveCart Learn Plus. So I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of ConvertBox, and here this is the email address of my user. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to give the course ID. So how I can find my course ID? And for that I need to take you to my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. I will close this. I will go to ThriveCart Learn. And here in my ThriveCart Learn account, I have all these courses. So here I'm going to use this particular course of Java course for beginners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this. And here by opening this course, I have this path URL. So in the path URL and after this // I have my course ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this course ID. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here. Now I'm going to create new student in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account for this particular course, that is for Java course for beginners. So I have filled my course ID here. Now I need to give the name of my student. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of ConvertBox, and here this is the first name of my user. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Now here I have all these options. So if I have any tags, order ID, purchase ID, so I can fill these details, but I'm not receiving any of these details. So I'm not going to fill any detail here. And also these are not the required details. So here I have mapped all these required details, and now what is going to happen is that as I have mapped these details here and I have made these details dynamic, So whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission response from ConvertBox, then automatically I'm going to receive the new detail of the new user. And as I'm going to receive the new detail, then automatically all these details are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new student in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. Now to check this, let me take you to ThriveCart Learn Plus. I will go back. And here I will go to my students. And here in students we can see I have created this new contact that is named as Alex John. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see I have created this student which is named as Alex John. Email is alexjohn@pabblytutors.com, and it was enrolled into this course of Java course for beginners. So here we can see that automatically by using all the detail of my ConvertBox form submission detail, I have created this new student in a course in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. And here I have used all those details that I have received from my form submission to add the details of my student. So here my connection between ConvertBox and ThriveCart Learn Plus is working successfully. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from ConvertBox, then automatically by using those details, I'm going to create a new student in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my form again. And here this is my form. So I'm going to fill these details one more time. So here my first name will be Alan, last name will be Karas, my email will be alankaras@pabblytutors.com, and I'm going to give a random phone number. So I have filled my phone number here. Now I'm going to click on schedule my meeting, and I have successfully submitted this form. Now what should happen is that automatically by using this form submission detail, a new student should be created in my ThriveCart Learn Plus account. Now to check this, let me take you to ThriveCart Learn Plus. I will go back. And here in my students, we can see I have created this new student. So I'm going to open this profile. And here we can see I have enrolled this student into this course of Java course for beginners. And here this is the name of my student, that is Alan Karas. Email is alankaras@pabblytutors.com. So here we can see that these are the details of my student that I have just filled in my form submission in ConvertBox. And automatically by using that form submission detail, I have created a new student in ThriveCart Learn Plus. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have successfully created this connection and automation between ConvertBox and ThriveCart Learn Plus to create ThriveCart Learn Plus student on ConvertBox form submission. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was ConvertBox, and my trigger event was new lead submission. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was ThriveCart Learn Plus, and my action event was create new student. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.